Welcome to my YouTube channel. ChatGPT is insanely amazing. In this video, we will create a simple calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So now let's start. Hey ChatGPT, can you please create a calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Let's find out what it creates. Now it says start writing the HTML code. Later we will also ask it to create the CSS styling for this calculator. Okay, it is now creating the combination of the numbers and the calculations. Okay, so mainly it has created a high-level HTML structure. Now we will ask him to write the JavaScript and the CSS. Okay, so at the first line it has created the reference of the buttons, and it is writing the JavaScript code. So you have seen that the button handler is perfectly written. I have crossed my fingers to see it will actually work or it will just throw an error, because it's just an artificial intelligence, and let's see if it can create a working code or not. Okay, so here is a clear function just to clean out the screen. Now we will ask to write some CSS code. Meanwhile, we will copy the HTML code and start saving it. Open your text editor, save the HTML code, and save the file with the name index.html, and we will also copy the JavaScript code. We can create the file with the script.js, and we will also create a file with the name style.css. Now we will link these files in the HTML. We will also link the JavaScript. Okay, so it has completed the CSS code. Let's copy, paste into the style.css, and open the index file in the browser. Okay, so it has created a simple calculator. Let's see if it works. Okay, I'm typing and it is not working. I just figured that the code has been copied twice, and that might be a problem since it says the variable has been declared. Okay, let's remove one occurrence, and I think we are all good. Let's check in the browser. Okay, so we will now do 12 plus 3. Answer should be 15. Oh, great. Now we will do some more calculations, like we do 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Let me zoom it a little so we can see it clear. Okay, see, for clearing the screen, now we will ask to do some multiplication. 13 multiplied by 6 equal to 78. That's great. We will also verify in the console. Okay, so we get that 78. So boom, ChatGPT is really revolutionary and going to write programs and help you in your programming journey. Now I have asked to create some different styling of the calculator, and I am very amazed to see that it has not only created the simple styling but also created the active classes, the pseudo classes, and also created some complex button targeting options. Like it had just taken down the reference for creating the operators and also for the hover options. I have just taken out that CSS and changed some references, because in the HTML it hasn't passed the value to the button. Instead it just created the references of the IDs like this. I just passed and created the IDs for all of these operations, and change the reference of the hover and the simple button styling. And so here you will notice that it has created a very nice styling of the calculator. The buttons on hover are creating the scale properties, the options, and the operator colors are now different. The equal sign is different and the cancel button is also different. Now let's try 12 plus 45 equal to 57. Now if you want to clear the screen, we simply press this. So the ChatGPT is really revolutionary. I'm very amazed to see how it has created the styling and all of the JavaScript code behind that thing. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time in the next video, and meanwhile don't forget to like the video, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.